Here's how to turn any shape into a custom photo frame in Canva using a special app. Start by choosing a shape from the Elements tab and adding it to your page. Download the shape as a PNG file. Then delete the original from the canvas and upload the PNG back into your design. Now, go to the Apps section and search for the Trace to Frame app. Open it and select your uploaded shape image. Click Start Tracing and place points along the outline of the shape to define your frame. Customize the frame with options like corner rounding and border style. Once you click Add to Design, your shape becomes a functional frame. You can now drag and drop any photo directly into this new custom frame.